Hi friends, welcome to our new video on Adenium or desert rose. These are 1-year-old grafted Adenium plants. Adeniums always require lot of sunlight. They were all in the sun until last week. It's raining in Bangalore these days, and since they don't like much water, brought them inside. They will take rest in the balcony for next 1 month or so. Have pruned most of them during summer, and they have grown beautifully as you see them now. These are bonsai Adeniums aged 7 to 8 years. They flower almost 8 months a year. The caudex, the bulged part, stem and root together, looks so pretty, which resembles a huge tree in a small planter. A few of them have already shown signs of flowering, and others will follow soon. Adeniums are very less maintenance plants. Watering is required, maybe once a week, since Bangalore doesn't experience a very high temperature. Adeniums need good amount of sunlight. 5 to 6 hours of direct sun. Owing to this demand, they cannot be grown indoors. They grow and bloom fabulously when they are in sun. Organic fertilizing every 6 months is recommended. Liquid fertilizing, NPK, may be given during the growth stage for more flowering. Adenium species are many, and the flowers, single layer, multi-layer, single color, multicolor. And they can last anywhere between 7 to 15 days.